Hello everyone, my name is Kamilla. Today I will show you how to make characters from the game Little Nightmares. The Granny is the first antagonist encountered in Secrets of the Maw. She lives in the depths of the maw and appears to be extremely hostile. She is one of the few enemies you fight in a level you first find them in others, being the janitor and the lady. The Granny, as her name suggests, is a monster that resembles an old woman. She has spare thin hair, long arms and legs and wears a tattered rag or cloth. The Granny typically remains out of view, her only indication of movement being a rippling motion on the surface of the water followed by a bubbling growl that grows louder as the Granny approaches the player. If you've looked up to this point, write the word Granny. I got such a Granny, in my opinion it came out like a real one, so if you like the figure, like it. Mono is the main protagonist from the upcoming sequel Little Nightmares 2. He is set to accompany Six on a journey to the Black Tower. Mono is a short and scrawny fair-skinned boy whose face is hidden by a light brown paper bag with two round eye holes that enable him to see. He wears an almost unbuttoned olive-colored trench coat that reaches below his knees above a brownish-gray shirt tucked into his long brownish-gray pants rolled up at the end. His hands and feet are bare. Mono can also wear items like a key on the side of his jacket. As shown in the teaser from 2019, under the paper bag he wears, Mono has short, messy black hair that sticks out a little bit. Well, I finished this figure. So if you like my stories and works, like me, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so as not to miss the new video.